Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I have an Amazon fashion haul for you all. It's a try-on haul. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into the video. First up is this jogger set. So it comes with the top, and all the outfits that I got were in a size small. I'm 5'3", curvy, and this is it. So it's all black with the white trim here, zip up in the front, and then it has 2 pockets on the side, and it comes with the matching pants. This is so cute for fall because it's like when you don't know what to wear and you want to still look cute, you have this outfit that you literally can just wear a white t-shirt under. When I wore it in the video, when you see for the try on, I have this white top under, like this tank top. Under it is very easy to wear, comfy, cute airport outfit, cute for running errands, going to dance class or whatever. It has pockets, and the sides have the white trim. This is super cute, super comfy, elastic waist and drawstring here, and they're wide legs, so they're wide from top to bottom. And these fit me perfectly in a size small. Super cute. Okay, next one. This one, I call it Where's Waldo? I don't know for anyone if you know like that character Waldo from back in the day, because these were the colors that he wore. Super cute. It matches the cherries that I have back there. So this is red and white, a red and white cardigan, size small. I like the way it has the blue trim on the collar and on the end of the sleeve, and it's a button down. So it's great for the fall. You can layer this and it looks super cute. I wore these with a pair of jeans and some sneakers. Very casual, very cute look for fall. However you want to wear it, you can style it, but it's so me. It's so colorful, so pretty. Casual, cute, great for fall. If you work, great for the office. This is a cute look, and they do have other colors, so make sure you check my links because you can see the other colors that they have. Next up is this nice Coatigan because you can wear this as a coat. So it's a long cardigan. This one is black. It's ribbed. It has pockets on the front, and the collar, as you can see, you can't really see too much in this video, but you're gonna see it in the try on. It has the collar that like turns over, and then kind of like a V in the front, and then the pockets. These are always really cute because you can layer these looks, and in the fall, if the fall transitional weather is sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cool, sometimes it's hot in the day, and then at night it gets really cool. So you can bring this with you. And I did a nice layered look. I wore in the video what I actually have on, and then I just put this over. And I think it's really cute. They have these in so many different colors. Black is really good because I have brown and all those other colors, so I decided to just get black. And this is really easy to wear. It is a nice heavy material, so it's very thick, and when it gets colder you can actually layer this and wear your coat over this. So I love this, and I think this is great for an airport outfit, because sometimes when you're flying the plane, they put the AC on and you always want to be comfy and cozy. So this is cute. This is super cute. All the links will be in the description. You can find these on Amazon. You can also find them on my LTK. I'm gonna leave both links for those of you who follow me on LTK. If you don't know what that is, LTK is a place where you can find most of the things that I wear, all of the fashion, home goods, hair accessories. It's like you can find it all in one place, as opposed to having to go to like the different stores and the different links or websites that the clothes may be on. It's like everything in one place. But again, for those of you who follow me on Amazon, I'll have those links for you there as well. And everything was in a size small. all of these outfits are in a size small, and like I said before, this cardigan you can find it in other colors. I think they have like the black and white, I don't remember, and like a tan and white. You have to check the links. And this one they have in different colors as well, but I think black is really good for the fall. I think they have like a tan color as well. It's all gonna be in the links. And for the sweatsuit, which I love, it's so comfy. It's so comfy. I wore it so many times. They have different colors in these and also different sizes. So let me know if you have any questions about these. Just put them in the comments and I will get back to you. Make sure you subscribe to my style page on Instagram if you want to see my day-to-day. I haven't been posting too many long form videos, but I'll be posting back again. But if you want to see my day-to-day, just follow me on my Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style. I'm also on TikTok as well. Not so active, but I'm on TikTok, as well as the LTK app if you want to see like my outfits, my home goods, and all of those goodies. I've been doing some more hair videos. I have a couple of hair videos coming for you all. Remember to check out my website for my lip glosses. I have the fall colors up now. And yeah, these are just some of them. I like literally just grabbed them out of there. But yeah, kharyzmaforyou.com. We have so many, and some of the summer glosses are going to be on sale, but I have the fall glosses coming as well. That's what I have on my lips now. It's like a combination of the pink strawberry, which is almost finished. That's how you know I use it all the time. And then this one right here, which is like a darker red, almost like a hot pink, but almost reddish in a way. Yeah, kharyzmaforyou.com, as well as my hair accessories for satin bonnets, head wraps, and I don't know if you guys have seen my scrunchies. I have new scrunchies and scrunchie sets on my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/kharyzmaforyou. Those are really, really pretty. And I have a lot of new hair accessories, so just check out my Etsy shop for the hair accessories, satin bonnets, satin head wraps, satins, all made by me, handmade. I sew them with my sewing machine. Those of you who've been with me for a long time, you're true to this, you're not new to this. But to all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. We're almost at 25K, and when I get to 25K, we're gonna do another giveaway. So stay tuned. It's the fall season. Holidays are coming up. I'm so happy to be back. And just make sure you check out everything that I have here. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave it in the comments. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Give this video a like. Comment. Let me know what you guys are doing for fall. Let me know what you up to. And that's it. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.